Hey everyone, it's Elgin Place here, and today we're diving into the brand new Partycraft update. Let's see what's new and exciting. So this is the new blocks in Partycraft. And play the game and see it for yourself. Let's move on to the furniture. Let's go to the plants. So here is the new boy skins. They look so beautiful. They're really cool. And here is the girl skin. I like this one. So here are the super skins. Let's move on to the doors. So let's see what's new. I think this one is new because I never saw this one. Let's move to the roller doors. So I think this one is new. So let's move on to the music. So here are all the musical instruments. So I think this printer is new and this joystick, game console. Here are all the common ones. So let's move on to the accessories. Here are all the accessories. This one is new and also this one and this one. Let's move on to the furniture. I think we already done this one. Yes, we already done this one. So let's move on to the bathroom. So I think this one is new or common. Here are the tablewares. So I think this frying pan is new and the set bottles also. So let's move on to the kitchen. So here are the kitchen appliances. Here is the blender. I think this blender is new and this multi-cooker. We also got a coffee machine and a toaster and also a electric kettle mixer. So let's move on to the food. Let's see if they added new food too. So I think they added watermelon as a new food. Drinks. They added tropical juice, or I don't know if this is new or common. Here's the bread. And here's the cheese and meat. I think they added bacon and sausage to the game, so let's see the carpet. Okay, so I think this is the new ones. You can play the game, guys. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Peace out.